Okay, so now we've added to all the new pages that we wanted to add for all our services. We now need to add these to our actual menu on the website. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So if we come across back to our pages, this is where we were. If you remember now, all these have got some basic content in them. The styling would be up to you and the content up to you. But now we want to add them to up here, so when somebody hovers over services, they get a drop down and it's offering these services down below. Okay, so to do that, you'll come across to here at appearance, and as you look across, you'll see menus. So click into menus. Now the one you've been looking at will normally be called primary or primary menu. Okay, so as you can see, it's already got our choices here which match up to what's up here. Okay, so we want to add all our new pages, so we can click on, there's a number of different ways. We can either scroll down here and choose them out. You can go on here and view, which will give them the same layout, or if you've got a massive website, you can come in here and search for the actual pages there, clean nail arts, and it's brought up services because that page comes under here in the actual structure. So what we'll do, we'll just go to view all, and we're going to put in all of our, so just add a click, and we're going to add to menu. As you can see, it's just put them all under here. Okay, so we want them elsewhere. So if we have a look at our services, we'll put them in the way that it does. We'll go clean, that way, that way, that way. So clean nail art will be first, and we want it as a drop down. So we'll just press our left mouse key and we can drop it there. Hairstyling's next. Our full body massage. Fully equipped spa. Fully stocked store. And then the Botox was the last one. And then, in fact, we'll take the bridal makeup offer and we'll put that at the top of the services to highlight that. Once they're all in place, remember you can drop these under each other again if you wish. Just click on Save Menu. I'll give that a second to upload. And if we come back to our main site, we'll click on Home, go back to the thing, it will also refresh the page. And now you can see the little drop down arrow, and we have all of our pages here. So if we click on the clean nail arts, there's the page that we created earlier. Okay. Also in here you want to create a new menu, so click on here, create new menu, and this will be called footer menu, and you'll see why shortly. Create that, click in footer, and in here we're going to have contact, and results found because it's elsewhere. No. Legal pages, that's that we want to look at. So click on legal pages, and we want those two as well. If you want to change what's written here, you can just write in the navigation label. I always reduce these, just save the menu. Okay, just let that update. So again, to have a look at primary, just click on select, and that gives us back to our primary menu. Okay, so also I'll just double check, so I think down the bottom here is the footer menu. See if it changes. It may not, because we're going to be adding the menus to this footer area in a piece. Okay, so that's it. That's for your menus. We're now going to go and have a look at the widget area and then footers and sidebars.